Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another hairstyle. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get notified when I post new videos. And for today's tutorial, turo ko sa inyo kung paano gawin itong fold up braid. Let's go. Part your hair into two sections. Tali mo na yung isa para hindi magalaw. Kuha kayo ng hindi masyadong maliit, hindi rin masyadong malaki na section ng hair. Divide sa tatlo. Tapos ida-Dutch braid natin. Kung hindi nyo pa alam ang Dutch braid, check out nyo dito. Ilalagay ko yung link. Kapag i-secure na, make sure na ganito siya. Tatago niyo dito sa likod. Ito ang dalawang pagkaparas. Paras natin. Tapos i-hairpin. So, ito, yan. Tatago natin sa loob. We're done. Ayan na siya. Finished talaga. And that's it for today. Give this video a thumbs up if you like, or a thumbs down if you don't like. For more hairstyle ideas, make sure to subscribe by clicking my picture over here and ring that notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. Also, check out and subscribe to my vlog channel, and then check out my previous tutorial over here. Thank you! Bye!